Welcome to the Caster Concepts Caster Configurator. This is where your design process meets our engineering-first mindset. In just minutes, you'll have a custom caster model, accurate, CAD-friendly, and built for your toughest jobs. Step 1. Launch the Caster Configurator. Start by heading to casterconcepts.com/caster-configurator to begin building your ideal caster. Step 2. Customize your caster. Here, you're in control. Use the filters to select your caster type, the right capacity range, from light duty to super heavy duty, your preferred mounting plate, and of course, the right wheel type and tread for performance and durability. As you make your selections, the model updates in real time. No waiting, no uncertainty, just precision. Step 3. Preview the 3D model. Once your specifications are set, you'll get a fully interactive 3D model. Spin it, zoom it, inspect every angle. If it looks right, it is right. Step 4. Download the CAD file. This process might take a little bit, so relax. Go enjoy a cup of coffee. It'll be ready for you soon. Do you need documentation? You can also download a PDF spec sheet with all of the technical details. Design, download, and dominate. The Caster Configurator puts engineering power in your hands, so you can get to market faster with models built for real-world performance. Visit casterconcepts.com/caster-configurator and build yours today.